y'all gonna quit sleeping on this shoe. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I told you guys I was gonna roll out as much content as I can. Here I am, back with another video. Today we're gonna talk about a shoe that I'm dubbing the sneaker of the year easily. I don't care what anybody says, this sneaker is hard, the quality is amazing, the backstory, amazing, and it's a woman's shoe too. Like, hitting all points, bruh. But without further ado, bro, here's the shoe, the Air Jordan 3 on my Maniere, bro. Guys, when I tell you this shoe is easily the sneaker of the year, I don't care what else comes out, bro. The only shoe that could possibly even compete with this shoe, if Virgil dropped something with Nike or something like that, which he is. But other than that, bro, like, this shoe right now, sneaker of the year, bro. Like, just look at the quality of the shoe, the colorway, clean, just amazing, bro. But let's go ahead and dive into the details of the shoes, guys. As you can see, we have an all white upper right here. This leather is so soft. I wouldn't say so soft, but it's soft. It's some soft, good quality leather right here. As you can see, they replaced the elephant print with this suede right here. This is probably like suede nubuck material, probably like my favorite feature, because elephant print gets boring, bro. But they replaced that with this right here. Probably one of my favorite details of the shoe is probably the natural raw edges that's going around the shoe, as you can see right here, bro. Like, just a beautiful little detail that they have with the shoe. I like the off-white sail midsole that's going around right here. I don't know what color this is right here on the midsole right there, but still, I like the color. It goes perfectly with the shoe. I like the sail cream laces that comes with the shoes. It actually comes with the white ones already in there, but I put these in there because it goes better with the shoe, to be honest. Another beautiful detail they added is that Nike Air, bro. Like, whenever Jordan adds a Nike Air to a non-OG colorway, bro, it's normally a banger. And as you can see, I have worn this shoe before. I wore it once. But yeah, you got Nike on the bottom right there, and I don't know what this color. I'm about to look up what this color is, man. Let's see here, the color is, I guess it's a medium gray. This can't be a medium gray. I don't know what this color is. Probably should have done my research before I shot this video, but like I said, I like this color. It goes great with the shoe. Ankle collar has like this quilted material on the inside of the shoe right there, on the tongue right there. The only thing, like, I would say that really bothers me about this shoe is the sizing, bro. Like, I normally wear a 12.5. This shoe fits like a 13. It probably fits like a 13.5. It's so loose because of the freaking ankle collar right here, because there's no padding. Because normally, hold on, let me go get the blacksmith threes. Because normally with the threes, they have this padding right here, and it's normally pretty thick. With this, nope, barely any padding. So it makes the shoe feel like, I don't know, just not your size. So I would definitely recommend going down half a size in this shoe, bro, because it fits kind of big. But I think I'm probably gonna roll with this. If I do run into a 12, I'll probably buy it and sell this. But other than that, I'm probably just gonna hold on to this right here, because, like I said, this is just a dope shoe to have in your collection. This shoe is releasing on the sneakers app, on my Maniere, and I think most Tier 0 stores. Like I said, bro, this shoe wasn't really that hard to grab on my Maniere. I know some people didn't hit, but I mean, this shoe, it was easy to grab. Retail, right? I mean, well, I guess we can't talk about retail. Retail for the shoe, I think is 200, or is it 220? Let me double check, because I'm shooting this video from the dome. Most of the time I do scripts. Well, I have notes, but right now everything's from the dome. Yes, the shoe is retailing for $200. Resale right now is not that bad. Let me double check resale. Last time I checked, it was between the $400 to $500 range. Okay, so sizes basically sizes 9.5 women and up are the $400 in the $400 range. The sizes below that are actually like 350, 360. So small feet gang, you guys got it easily. Big feet gang, psh, bro. Yo, cause this is a 12.5 men, 14 women. This size goes for 435, and a 12 goes for 489. So, bro. So if you're looking to resell this shoe, definitely go for the bigger sizes. Smaller sizes not really hidden. Women's shoes really don't even normally hit like that, to be honest. I still have the women you will see the Chais. Like I said, that's a great shoe, great quality, but this shoe is only around like $300. But who cares about resale, bro? Like, just buy this shoe if you like it. It's a dope shoe. Try your best to hit for retail. If not, bro, like I said, resale is not that bad. So I would definitely put a sugar on this shoe. And if I didn't mention it before, the shoe is extended sizing, and I think they go up to like a men's 15. Let me double check again. Okay, so they go up into a women's 15.5. At least that's what sneakers are selling. So women's 15.5, that's a men's 14. So up to a size 14. Anything after that, I feel bad for those people who won't be able to get this shoe, because this is a dope shoe, guys. Like I mentioned before, the shoe does come with white laces. I have white laces in this shoe. It's not the ones that come with the shoe, because the ones that come with the shoe, I felt like they were kind of short, but these are really kind of longer because these go on one. So I'm probably gonna take these out, put these in, because, bro, like I said, dope shoe to have in the collection, bro. Like, please don't sleep. I don't care what anybody's saying. I don't care if people think this shoe is ugly, bro. Buy what you like, bro, because this shoe right here, dope. But yeah, guys, that will conclude the watch before you buy video, bro. Air Jordan 3 on Maniere. Let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure you guys drop a like down below, and also hit that subscribe button for me, please, and thank you. And I cannot leave without saying the most important thing. All y'all stay blessed out there.